Test, test, one, two, three. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Let me know if you guys think the video quality of this is now a little bit better. We're testing out a new camera, and I'm pretty excited to see if you guys enjoyed a little bit more. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. This is TQQ. I'm up a little bit over $7,000 on the day. I cannot stress this enough. Today was probably it was a great live trading session. The best live trading session is an overstatement. Every live trading session is the best live trading session, right? We just did an absolute amazing job averaging up into my position size. This is something that I always try to preach, of staying and keeping a very healthy position when market sentiment is maybe not the most clear. If market is kind of choppy, I averaged up in a very minute way in comparison to what I normally trade with. There it goes, just hit $8,000 on the day. I'm actually going to link it down below. So the first link in the description will be today's live trading session. If you've wanted to join my Learn Plan Profit group, but you just want to see what it's like to watch me trade live, it's just a raw live session. You get to see me buy, you get to see me sell, but most importantly, you get to hear my thought process. One of the things that I just sent an update on is yesterday's resistance level was $33 a share, and this was for TQQQ. And it looks like it's showing signs of that same resistance once again. I like making you guys aware of this, because even though I'm invested in TQQQ, just because I'm deciding to trade it does not mean that you should as well. I want you to be aware of the risk involved, especially during very choppy conditions. And if we look at this on the 1 hour time frame, we could see that again, it's just continuing to consolidate within the same range of above the moving average, but also below $35 a share. I'm very excited to follow up and to see which way the market ends up going. But you guys can't forget about this. CPI data, which is the inflation report, is going to be released this Friday. So this is just a little update for you guys. This Friday, which is, if I'm not mistaken, June 10th, they're going to be releasing the CPI data report. And if we see that inflation did not peak, if this month, or I guess last month, right, because it's a prorated month, if we see that for the month of May, that inflation was actually higher than the prior month, you guys better be ready for a pullback. But if we do see that it peaked, and then the Feds can see that, hey, inflation is beginning to pull back, that should be a step in the right direction, and hopefully acts as a positive market sentiment, or acts as a positive catalyst for the overall market, and hopefully the sentiment can begin to change. I think it would be a big step in the right direction in showing that inflation is actually coming down. And this would mean that the Feds do not have to take a more aggressive approach in raising interest rates. That's all it means. If you guys do not understand what the CPI data report is, it's an inflation report. It just literally takes the average consumer goods and, did it go up month over month, or did it go down month over month? That's all it really reports. I can break it down for you guys once again. Again, if you guys want me to make that video, all you guys literally have to do is subscribe to the channel and get this video over 1,000 likes. But yeah, just a quick overall market update for you guys. Market is looking good. This is probably one of my favorite days to trade, when market sentiment is very, very bullish. This is why we watch our position size. This is why we average up into our positions. It's days like this that traders really flourish. For those that understand when to average up, and then when we're approaching overbought levels, that you're never afraid to reduce your position size. Again, something that you can learn more about as time goes on. If there's any question that I could answer for you, I hope that you can know, or I hope that you know, that I'm literally only one message away. You can message me via Discord. That's going to be that second link down below, or feel free to message me via Instagram, and that's going to be the fourth or fifth link in the description. There it goes. Just hit $10,000 on the day. So grateful, so thankful, and I'm excited to follow up to see how the market ends up going. If you guys are tired of missing out, if you guys like the live session from today and you're ready to join my team, the third link in the description, I'm going to give you guys a $100 off coupon off the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. And again, That's all inclusive. So not only does it give you access to my TechBuds Trading HQ, my building, right, located in Chandler, Arizona, gives you access to my private Learn Plan Profit group chat, my daily live trading sessions, and of course, lifetime access to the A to Z video lesson library that's designed for complete beginners. All inclusive, one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, that is all part of Learn Plan Profit 2.0. And the link is going to be down below for the $100 off coupon. Hopefully, I'll see you in tomorrow's live trading session. But other than that, hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.